in this open bracket, inside open curve bracket, a comma b, closed interval, a open and closed curve bracket inside a comma b, a equal to x vertical bar, a is less than or equal to x, x is less than or equal to b, that is x is in between or equal to a and b, in between a and b, but condition is a is less than or equal to x, x is less than or equal to b. Here in this open bracket inside a comma b, that is open interval, in this open bracket a comma b equal to x vertical bar, a is less than x, x is less than b, the set of, okay. Here it means closed means less than or equal will come, or less than or greater than also will come, another given purpose condition. Here not less than, not equal here will not come in open bracket, in closed bracket equal will come. You have to know. I imaginary unit, I equal to root of -1, z equals to 3 plus 2i. I always mentioning imaginary part, here I is the imaginary part, imaginary unit. Z asterisk complex conjugate, z equal to a plus pi. It follows z asterisk equal to a minus bi, z asterisk, z power asterisk equal to 3 plus 2i, z bar, that is complex conjugate, meaning z bar is the complex conjugate, z equal to a plus pi to z bar equal a minus bi. That is here plus, here minus, s bar, z bar equal to 3 plus 2i. This one del operator or Napla gradient, it mentioning gradient or divergence operator. Del f of x of del f of x y z, x vector, this is the symbol arrow mark mentioning here vector, x vector, this is x, this symbol is cap, x cap unit vector, x asterisk y convolution, y of t equal to x of t asterisk h of t, Laplace transform, f of s equal to L of set of f of t, Laplace transform, f of f is called, so here Fourier transform, x omega, this is small omega, equal to f of set of f of t, delta function. So this is infinity symbol, Leibniz scale, Leibniz scale. Then in numerical methods, this column for name, this column for European, this column for Roman, this column for Indo-Arabic, this column for Hebrew. Okay, 0. All are same in Hindi, Hindu-Arabic, dot only. 1. Here this is Roman letter. Here in Arabic 1. In Hebrew. So psi, like psi, not psi, like psi. 2. Roman letter. This is Arabic letter. This is Hebrew 2, 3, name, 3 in European, Roman letter 3, Arabic, Arabic, Arabic. This is in Hebrew, Hebrew, language. 4, 4, Roman letter 4, European letter 4, Arabic letter 4, Hebrew. Here, 4, how is that 4 here? That is 3 imagination. Here, like tau. Here, 1 is almost the same. But here, like a y, we can say lambda, lambda and then one side symbol like that. In 2 here, Roman letter 1, 2, here 2 European. Here, symbol like a that is y mirror symbol like here 3 almost same European letter. Sorry. Here 2 is 2, no. So y is Arabic y for 2, not Arabic y. Y mirror image like in Hindu Arabic 2, in Hebrew like 3, handwritten writing 3, here 2. Actually 3 part 1, 2, 3, like 1, 2, 3, 3 start like that. Here 3 in, if you, this is top view like that. We are seeing top view 3 available. And then that is in your mirror here from here, this Hindu Arabic, another one you like that. Continue. Otherwise we can say here W, then starting projection down. Here like lambda, almost like lambda in Hebrew. 4, this simply in European. Here 1 and V add, V English letter V caps. Here 3, 4, 3 mirror view in handwritten. Here tau, almost tau, not proper tau, perfect tau. In 5, name European 5 we are using. Here only V, English letter V. This is available in Roman letter. Here like 0, English letter 0, you can say 0 or O. Here N like N 5, but one cut, top cut is there. We can say otherwise one L opposite, L upward, downward like that also we can say. Otherwise N like that N only starting critical point and cutting is there. 6, 6. In the 6 V first will come, then 1 will come. Left 4th, right 6th. Nothing, only V 5th in Roman letter. Here 6 looks like a 7 handwritten. So here you can say 1 or I, capital letter I, like that in Hebrew. And then 7, 7 this symbol in European. We are using here after 6 we have to add one more. V double caps I, you can say. Yeah, caps V, caps I, and one side caps I. 7 here. English letter. This is like writing letter V. Here 7. This is T, like T, but that left and right corner is short here. You can say. Remember the in 8, this is 8. Here, only after 3i will come. Otherwise, we can say this is one, two, same symbol, same I coming here. Here only one I and V, only here one V, caps V. Here one E and I, here right side increasing, then right side again one increasing, and again one, third, 3 numbers, I, V. So just for understanding purpose. And then here V in reciprocal, that is image view, otherwise, no, not image, uh, that is uh, downward, not upward, downward. Let's see here 7 V, this V in downward, this is upward, this is downward, you can say. This is your proper and also you can say for 8. 9, here 1 will come, then X, this is 9 in Roman letter, capital X. Here all are caps only. Here 9, same 9, that in Arabic. Here U, like U in Hebrew. Then 10. 10 is a 10 is a, here a 10. Then 10 is only one cap. Here 10 already we have seen 1. Then 1 we have to then already we have seen one dot is the 0 in Arabic. So that 0 here we have to add. That's all. Here only dot point. But if you put 2 dot in vertically, that one is the here 10. 11 in European style 1. Here in Roman letter X, then I will come. Here is double 1. Here B up and down different. Otherwise, one inclined backward inclined line, then just wave like that. Then one double dot joined like that for 11. 12, 1x double I will come. Here, for remember purpose, I am saying here double I x like that. But in Roman letter, that one not x, that one not double I. We know very well in English, this is x, this is I, caps. That's why we are for remembering purpose we are using for so x double I, then 12, 1, 2, what we have seen that one in early page, we have to put that 1, 2. Here 3 dot double dot vertical, that is the 12. 13 x triple I 1, 3 already there, that all are same here. So remaining all are same here, no change, same like a European. So here only change. So then lambda dash like that. This is 3 dash like that. 14 x I E V will come. Here tau up dash 15, okay, x v 1, then that is same 5, 1, everything in Arabic same only will come. Just we note from 0 to 9, if you know very well, then easy Arabic.